Have you ever wondered how to fade music in a video editor, but you weren't sure how to get started? Well, today is your lucky day, especially if you're using Screenflow for Mac. I've been working on a video today and I'm just about to add in the faded music at the end. So I thought I would share this with you. On the screen right now, you can see a project that I have. It's about a minute, almost 2 minutes long. And then on the screen, I have the audio file. Above that, I have the voiceover. Then I have video file and an animation file, etc., as I go up the screen. So let's come back to the music file. Now, the first thing I like to do is, once I've got the music that I'm happy with, I like to give it a 5-second fade out at the end. Down the bottom of the screen here, I'm just going to scroll with this little circle. I'm dragging it out so that you can see it a little bit better. So here is the music. I'm just going to play that so you can hear. Okay, it's very simple. And in this dark menu here, you can actually see part of the timeline. You can see how many seconds. So if I go right to the end, it's 1 minute 50 seconds. And then if I come back about 5 seconds, there's 50, 48, 46. So that's 2, 4. And then if I come about here, that's about 5 seconds. Doesn't have to be exact. This is just what I do. Now, you can see the yellow marker around this one piece of music. So that means I have selected it. Then on the right-hand side of the Screenflow screen, I come up here, make sure that I have audio selected, which is the second icon here. And then you can see that with the volume, I already have it set to 13%. Now that's what that is playing at the moment. What I want to do is add in an action that is going to fade out the rest of the music and slowly fade to 0. So here, in the top right-hand corner, I click on Action, and you'll notice that down the bottom, on top of that audio file, it has actually dropped in a yellow movable marker. Now, I'm going to just put that around about where the red marker is. That's called the Playhead. I'm going to click on it, and then as I hover my mouse, you can see on the right-hand side it turns into a double-headed arrow. I can drag this out. Right now, if I play it, you can hear the whole thing. So it's set to the same volume, 13% all the way along. What I'm going to do is drag the playhead all the way to the end, and while I've a little bit of nature there, and while I still have all of this selected, I'm going to come up into the audio section again, and I'm going to drag the volume down to 0. So now if we click just to the left of this and we'll play it. Perfect. So I've literally taken 5 seconds to bring that 13% volume down to 0. And that's it. So now all I have to do is save the project with Command S and then export it, and it's ready to go. I hope you found this interesting. I hope it isn't too complicated for you. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please do let me know. I'd love to help you. This is Teena Hughes saying ciao for now from TeenaHughesOnline.com. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget, if you've got a question, put it in the YouTube comments or on Facebook or on my website. I would love to answer your questions with a video. That's it from me for now. Bye-bye.